I will start with a quick intro of Naya, because she insists that we don't call her ma'am, which actually was a very good learning for me. So I'm going to give you all a quick brief about her. So she's the CEO of Baby Chakra, which is a one-of-a-kind app and web-based parenting platform that empowers parents to make the right maternity and childcare decisions. And in her own words, which I found really interesting, it's the OS for families, which I thought was a great way of describing this. And she's a graduate of the Harvard Business School, where she was a Fulbright and J.N. Tata Scholar. And she received her Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Legislative Law from National Law School, India. She's also mentor with Ask You. The name itself is actually super interesting, right? So I was wondering if you had any story behind it, how you started Baby Chakra, because it's a very interesting market niche to actually identify. So if you could tell us a little bit about that.
Sure. So, the real sort of honest story is that we were looking for, I mean, we knew we were doing something with mums and babies and kids, right? And we wanted something which had the word baby in it. And we looked up different .com like domains. And basically babychakra.com was available, right? So that's what, and we sort of said, okay, this is amazing. It's available, right? I'm going to tell you guys like info, like this is like how it really goes. But so I don't call anyone employee. There's no employee in
It
Baby
goes with
Chakra.
the market.
We're all team members. So
Okay.
sorry, no
Who do
employee.
you look for in a team member?
I look for a lot of resilience because a journey of building something is a lot of ups and downs. And it's very difficult to test for resilience. But I mean,
Right.
sometimes we start sort of seeing a bit of patterns there, right? I also look for a lot of optimism because you have to be a little bit like irrationally optimist when you're building something that doesn't exist, right? You're like, ho jayega, kar lenge, ban jayega, right? So I look for that. And I look for like definitely a very strong sense of, company slash team before self, because that is really sent. I had a resume which was like some 10 pages long in law school and it had footnotes.
Didn't even
Lawyers
know
write
that.
footnotes. What was I supposed to know? Like lawyers do footnotes, right? And I remember like I had a coach for McKinsey and like I said, I learned a lot of practical tips like, from like peers and from folks who were helping me along the way. So, and she wrote back, I remember her name was Pooja Haldia, is Pooja Haldia. She wrote back saying, Naya, no, you can't do this to me. I can't forward this internally. So please, like, let's just use this format, right? Really helped. So one page, really crisp, impact oriented, quantitative as much as possible, and short bullet points. It
Awesome.
depends from days to days. On days when the short term, the short term is not maybe working out as per plan, right? I think it's useful to take a step back and take the time out to take a step back and say, this is where we are aspiring to meet. Let's look at a history, let's look at where we are today. Is this where we're going to go, right? And can we reach there? And if the answer is broadly yes, right? And these are the levers you need to move, you come back and you sort of make those levers work in the short term, right? So it's kind of like you have to keep.
How is it like to be in a male dominated field, or like that's by design, because I want that to be a day when there's not something called a woman entrepreneur. I want it to be just entrepreneur, and I want it to not be a male dominated field. I don't want to have a woman's achievement in this field to be solely because she dominated over a male industry. So I was wondering how there are two sides to this. One, from your side as a well-established individual, and also from our side as somebody who's working for Aspire for Her, or just young females in general. What can we do to create tangible impact in this field, so that a day like this can come sooner? So any feedback, any suggestion, any tips, anything about our organization, or even in general about what you feel as a sign off remark?
I think the only way to do that is to succeed, because then
I
the
love
narrative
that.
changes. If all of us succeed, right, then the pattern for success becomes us. It's
Yeah,
as
I really
simple as
love that.
that, right? So that's a succeed, no? So that's why we're doing what we're doing.
Right. Role models, right? So we can have people to look up to and be the ones that we look
Anusha, it's
up to.
very practical, right? I mean, the world is a very practical place, but it's also a place that because it's so practical, derives its assumptions and its biases from pattern matching.